You've probably heard people say, AI is going to take your job. But what if AI could help you make money instead? Today, ChatGPT reveals real ways everyday people, even total beginners, are using AI tools to build income. Whether you're looking for side money or a full-time upgrade, this episode is for you. Let's break it down. 1. Writing with ChatGPT. Sell words without writing them all. You don't need to be a professional writer. Use ChatGPT to write product descriptions for online shops, create social media captions for businesses, draft blogs, newsletters, and ad copy. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Contra let you offer these services. You use AI to do the heavy lifting, faster, easier, smarter. 2. Voiceovers and scripts. Let AI do the talking. Use tools like Moff.ai, 11 Labs, or TTS Maker to create voiceovers. Pair that with ChatGPT written scripts, and suddenly, you've got content to sell or post. People are using this combo for YouTube videos, audiobook samples, explainer clips, short-form content. You don't need a studio or your own voice, just the tools and an idea. 3. Create videos, no filming needed. Video is still the #1 content type online, and you don't even have to show your face. Try tools like CapCut for quick edits, captions, effects, Pictory, and Runway ML to turn scripts into videos, Canva to create reels, promos, and video ads. You can make promo videos for small businesses, faceless YouTube videos, TikToks, or shorts using stock footage and AI voice. It's fast, it's visual, and people are paying for it. 4. Image generation. Turn prompts into art and products. AI art tools like Midjourney Doll, Canva AI, Leonardo AI. These turn words into images, which you can use or sell. People are monetizing. T-shirt designs, logo samples, YouTube thumbnails, clip art packs for Etsy, custom portraits and covers. You don't have to draw. You just need the right prompt. 5. Freelancing plus AI automation equals more income, less time. If you already do freelance or admin work, AI can boost your efficiency. Try ChatGPT for generating emails, outlines, or content. Notion AI to organize and brainstorm. Trello plus ChatGPT to manage clients. Zapier to automate small tasks. Between apps, you don't need to work more. You just need to work smarter. 6. Start a niche content channel, like this one. Fireside ChatGPT is built using ChatGPT for writing, AI voice for narration, AI tools for editing, and YouTube to share it. If you've got ideas, you don't need a team, just tools. Start small. Stay consistent. Grow from there. Bonus tip: start small, then scale. Pick one idea. Captions, voiceovers, logos, product mockup scripts. Use AI to create it. Test it out. Offer it to someone. Build a portfolio. Raise your prices as your confidence grows. Final thoughts: you don't need a tech background. You don't need a degree. You just need curiosity and the right tools. AI is a ladder, not a wall. The earlier you start climbing, the more options you'll have. Stay curious. Stay human. And create a better life.